So what happened? Who in the hospital and who in the holding area?
Well, Miranda in the holding area. And Carlton and nurse a wound.
So she get to him?
No. Him get to her. Me get to him. Me have to save him from himself. Cause him they go take her out. And we couldn't overlook that.
2 snipers. Tony Xpressionz. Miranda. Straight prison that, you know. Maybe I should allow him still in a bossy. Let him face it and make the law take its course.
And you know, the only reason why I do it, I for quiet him. And I think it's more for Celine, not him.
What? Because she check for you?
Yeah. She really check for him. And him check for her. But instead of make him serve a life sentence, I make him rest a little bit.
I can't say no. I want the luckiest man in my life. And me never did it for a reason. Because if me did it, it's a total different song you would have seen.
That's why I always tell you, say, everything happen for a reason. I hope now him take this as a second chance and just go talk with him and Celine and just make love prevail.
Sound like a fairy tale.
The fact that there were no casualties, it actually is.
So what happened with Miranda?
We have to get her a full-scale interview. Because as an agent, she have that right. After that, we'll send her back home.
Bossy.
So what's the next move?
To tell you the truth, violate the agency trust. Violate your trust. You see, until we can fix that, we're not going to come in back.
That means no announcement can be made of your resignation. Because you know that's going to be handled in a different way by the agency.
I appreciate that, bossy. Just a bit of some time.
Just remember what I told you earlier. Your support system, they're over here, so. In the meantime, we're gonna see what we can do to take down the minister boy here. Keep your chin up.
Donovan, the document ready? Alright, good. Yeah, man, me send our location. Alright.
Me a tell you, so me have to hold on here, guys. You know, me have to hold on here, so you know, and numbers are holding on over this. You want to hold on and try shoot them. Me say, to one I tell, on here go stand and try jump out of here, and build up this jump. Me have to catch her up, so you know, and numbers. You want to hold on and shoot them numbers. Me say, to hold on and the man the last after. You see how he sick too, and take she really take panic. Me say, me say me have to wonder what one.
Nobody in the shop?
Nah man, I just a fridge man. And if they go up on the road for go get something for forward back, you see me?
Them the loud?
What you mean? What you say, Chef? The amount of crowd that I do. When they tell you say the amount of nice and beer people me see out there so.
So I saw it did bad?
Nah, tell you man, you think I'm joking all the people and know it's serious.
Yeah, numbers are Gyalis.
I know Gyalis. Nah man, you know Gyalis. You don't understand Gyalis order.
So what you say to me? All the Gyalis order really good.
Why, you can't say about Gyalis, you know. And he have land around and back and know say Omega forward and he have a escape road and he have nobody to look out.
So I think you and him a look out. So now you come tell him say Omega come.
Until you say I show me know the game. Let me shot come around and come make him know what I want. You see me? Cause I really Gyalis that put me for my yard, you see he pray.
What you would have done if him put up your yard? Gyalis king.
Mother distract her man. And tell her say gone on the road and deal with something and shot come in come make him know what I want. You see me? Yeah, and just make the dog escape through back.
So like how you write the Gyalis book?
Don't say I mean write it man, but as a real girl. I mean as a youth I grew up around the Gyalis them, I see how them do them thing man, I learn from that, I see it.
Really no, I didn't think they still do.
Nah man, you know the them thing there again man.
Again?
Nah, I lie. It's skillful back in the days man, but I don't mean that again.
Yeah, that's what I always say. But once a Gyalis, always a Gyalis.
You know rate that statement there. What you say, man can't change?
You ever see a leopard change them spot?
Unfair statement that. Enough man change them lifestyle when they meet the right woman.
I like that. They might change a little, but them always go back to them dirty ways.
So what you say, me I go back to them style eh?
I don't know, sir. I don't know what we have in your life.
That you say?
Yeah, that me say.
So what you say? All the energy when me I show you, we just do that in vain then.
I'm not sure about your energy, because 1 minute you're good, the next minute you take program.